Web 2.0 is also known as the social web. Web 2.0 emphasizes interactivity and collaboration. Which of the following is not a Web 2.0 tool? HTML only website. Web 2.0 encourage user generated content. Which Web 2.0 tool is used for collaborative content creation? That is Wiki. An example of a Web 2.0 social media platform is both B and C, that is WhatsApp and the YouTube. Broadcasting is an example of the Web 2.0. What is the role of RSS in Web 2.0? That is real-time content update. Tagging in Web 2.0 helps in content organization and retrieval. Which Web 2.0 tool allows asynchronous discussion? That is blogs. Web 2.0 applications are dynamic and user-centered. Mashup in Web 2.0 refers to combining data from multiple sources. The concept of polynomy is related to user-generated tagging. A library block is a Web 2.0 tool that is updated regularly and open to comment. The main goal of Web 2.0 is to promote social interaction and the participation. Library 2.0 is based on user participation and technology integration. Who contained the term Library 2.0? Michael Casey. Library 2.0 promotes user-driven services. A core feature of Library 2.0 is user feedback and customization. The goal of Library 2.0 is to enhance user experience through interactivity. Which of the following is a Library 2.0 tool? Library block. In Library 2.0, users can create content, comment, and the interact. Library 2.0 is a blend of Web 2.0 and Library Information Science Service. Which one is an example of Library 2.0 implementation? That is social tagging in OPEC. In Library 2.0, OPEC becomes interactive and comment enabled. Library 2.0 supports user engagement. Which of the following technology supports Library 2.0? That is RFID, chatbox, and social media integration. In Library 2.0, feedback is internal to service improvement. Library 2.0 allows personalized alerts and service. Library 2.0 is mainly about cultural change toward user-centered services. Web 3.0 is also known as the semantic web. Web 3.0 allows machines to understand and process information like humans. The main aim of Web 3.0 is machine-readable data for better search and the automation. Web 3.0 technology includes XML, RDF and OWL. RDF in Web 3.0 stands for the Resource Description Framework. The core of Web 3.0 is semantic metadata and AI. Sparkle is a query language for RDF data. Ontology in Web 3.0 refers to structured vocabulary for knowledge domains, which is not a feature of Web 3.0, that is static HTML pages. Web 3.0 enables open data sharing. Web 3.0 enhance metadata accuracy and data interlinking. In Web 3.0, libraries can benefit from linked data and semantic search. AI and machine learning are features of the Web 3.0. Smart Search in Digital Library is a product of the Web 3.0. Linked open data is used in semantic web. Web 3.0 makes use of intelligent agents. An example of a semantic tool for library is Protege. Semantic web improves data linkage and understanding. Web 3.0 in library enables interlink authority data and richer metadata. The biggest evolution from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0 is read, write and the understand. Thank you.